Hello, let me explain how to solve question 1. Find the future value and interest earned if 15,000 ringgit is invested for 5 years at 5.5% compound quarterly. Step 1, we need to write down the given values, which is P or principal is 15,000 ringgit. Interest rate is 0.055 divided by 4 because it is compound quarterly, and is 4 multiplied 5, which is 5 years. Step 2, we need to use the formula for future value, which is S equal P, open bracket 1 plus I, close bracket, and substitutes the value, which is S equal 15,000 ringgit, open bracket 1 plus 0.055 divided by 4, close bracket, 4 multiply 5, and we get the S is 19,711. Step 3, we need to find the interest earned, which is the formula is I equal S minus P. 19,000 ringgit 19,711 minus RM 15,000 ringgit, we get the interest earned is RM 4,711. Next, let me explain how to solve question 2. 8 years ago, RMY was invested in a bank account that paid an interest rate of 6.5% compounded every 2 months. If the balance in the account today is RM 12,480 ringgit 15 cents, find the initial investment of Y. Alright, first step, we need to write down the given values, which is future S is RM 12,480 ringgit 0.15 cents. Interest rate R is 6.5%, but we need to switch it to 0.065. M is compounding frequency, which is 6, and T is 8. We just use the formula S equal P, open bracket 1 plus I, close bracket, N. So just substitute the values in the formula. 12,480 ringgit 0.15 cent equal P, open bracket 1 plus 0.065 divided 6, close bracket, 8 multiplied by 6. So 12,480 ringgit 0.15 cents equal P, open bracket 1.6773, close bracket. So 12,480 ringgit 15 cents equal 1.6773 P. So we need to divide it. 12,480 ringgit 0.15 cents divided 1.6773 equal P. So we get the P RM 7,440 ringgit 0.48 cents.
Hi, let me explain how to solve question 3. Vivian wish to invest 12,000 ringgit in a fixed deposit account 5 years. She has two options, which is CIDB Bank that offer 4.25% compounded quarterly, and MMB Bank that offer 4.3% compounded monthly. So the question is, which bank should Vivian choose, and give the reason. So first of all, we must find the suitable formula for this question, that is S equal to P multiplied by 1 plus I power by N. And the keyword we get in this question is principal equal to 12,000, term equal to 5, I equal to, for CIDB Bank, I equal to 0.0425 over 4, and for N equal to 4 multiplied by 5. For MMB Bank, I equal to 0.043 over 12, and N equal to 12 multiplied by 5. So the equation for CIDB Bank, we just put in all the keyword in that formula. So we get S equal to 12,000 multiplied by 1 plus 0.0425 over 4 power by 5 multiplied by power 4. So we get RM 14,824 ringgit and 57 cents. For MMB Bank, S equal to 12,000 multiplied by 1 plus 0.043 over 12 power by 5 multiplied by power 12. So we get S equal to 14,872 ringgit and 63 cents. So the reason is Vivian should choose MMB Bank because she will get more money than CIDB Bank. That will be your final answer.
Question 1. Naira took a loan to purchase a new Mavica. The bank charged an interest rate of 3.8% compounded monthly. She will repay the loan with monthly payment of RM845 over a period of 5 years. Calculate the total amount that she actually needs to pay back to the bank. Our key is 0.038. Compounded monthly is M, which is 12. 845 is R, and 5 year is T. We will use formula S equal R multiplied by the fraction in the numerator of the fraction, open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, raised to the power of n minus 1 in the denominator of the fraction is I. Put all information in formula and we will get x equal 845 multiplied by the fraction in the numerator of the fraction, open bracket, 1 plus 0.038 per 12, close bracket, power of 5 times 12, minus 1, in the denominator of the fraction is 0.038 per 12, and we will get x equal 55739.75. Question 2. Nuh bought a Toyota Yaris for RM91,600 with a 0% down payment. He took a car loan for 7 years at interest rate of 3.65% compounded monthly. Calculate his monthly payment for the loan. Our key will be 91,600 is A, 7 years is T, 0.0365 is K, compounded monthly is 12, which is M. We will use formula A equal R multiplied by the fraction in the numerator of the fraction, 1 minus, open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, power of negative n, in the denominator of the fraction is I. Put all information in formula and it will be 91,600 equal R multiplied by the fraction in the numerator of the fraction, 1 minus, open bracket, 1 plus 0.0365 per 12, close bracket, power of negative 7 times 12. In the denominator of the fraction is 0.0365 per 12. Then it will be 91,600 equal R, open bracket, 74.03, close bracket. Then it will be 91,600 equals 74.03 R. Put 74 and the 0.03 to the side and it will be 91,600 per 74.03 equal R. And then R it will get 1237.36.
The question 3. Fauzana buy an apartment and make a down payment of RM3,000. The remaining balance is financed through a bank loan with an interest rate of 4.12% compounded monthly to be repeated over 30 years. The monthly payment for the loan is RM1,321.55. Okay, for the one Roman, if she missed the 26th and 27th payment, how much should she pay on the 28th payment to settle all the outstanding area? For the Roman 2, immediately after paying the 350 monthly payment, Fauzana want to settle the balance of the debt with a single payment. How much shall this payment be? Okay, first of all, we need to remove the important content from the question. R is RM1,321.55. K is 4.12%. M is 12. So I is 0.0412 fraction 12. M is 12 multiplied 30. So for the question 1 Roman, we need to use formula S equal to R bracket 1 plus I power of n minus 1 fraction I. For the question 1 Roman, we need to find the S for 3 times. So S3 equal to 1,321 ringgit 55 cent, open bracket, 1 plus 0.0412 fraction 12. Power up 12 multiplied 30 minus 1 fraction 0.0412 fraction 12, close bracket. So after that you can use the calculator. So the total you can get S3 equal to RM 3,978 ringgit 28 cent. For the questions, Roman, remove the important content from the question first. Okay, the question say after the 350 monthly payment, Hosanna want to settle the current balance of the debt with single payment. So the keyword from the question is 350. We need to use formula n unpaid equal to n total minus n paid. For the n total is 360 and for the n paid is 350. Where we get the 360 from is from the m, because 12 multiple 30. So we'll get 360. So 360 minus 350 will get 10. Then we use the formula of present value. The formula of value is A equal to R, open bracket 1 minus, open bracket 1 plus I, close bracket power of negative n, fraction I, versus A10. Then we just enter the keyword into formula. A10 equal to 1,321 ringgit 55 cent, open bracket 1 minus, open bracket 1 plus 0.0412, fraction 12, close bracket, the power of negative 10, fraction 0.0412, fraction 12. So the answer we'll get for A10 is RM 12,969 ringgit 34 cent.